Come, Jax. Are you gonna be good?
Caden.
Get the cards.
Caden.
Das gut, sehr.
You gonna miss me? Huh?
You can't get the card.
No.
No.
Couldn't take her.
Can I have a hug?
Want to get the card.
Okay. Okay. Good morning, y'all. We're just finding it amusing, or maybe I am, that on the day we want to travel, it snows. We haven't had snow in like, years almost. No, okay, maybe not years, but a long time. And now the morning we want to travel, it snows.
This is not snow. She says it's snow, it's not snow. Snow is 2 feet of snow.
Okay, well, whatever this white stuff is then, but in any case, there's some type of precipitation outside. We're at Max and Irma's, so gotta kill some time before the flight. Nick got an Arnold Palmer and he's not a fan.
It's not Arnold Palmer. It's not. I've had Arnold Palmer, it's good. This is not Arnold Palmer.
I didn't even know what it was until he told me, so glad I didn't get it. What's that called?
Garbage burger.
Garbage burger?
Who said New
Burger.
Who said New Year's resolutions can't be broken?
Wow.
That, folks, is our plane. It just came in.
We're waiting to have the plane de-iced. Apparently it's going to be cold. Into Charlotte. Today it is busy and we don't even have time to monkey around or anything.
We literally have to walk out on the concrete to board. We did that in Haiti. I guess we're in Haiti.
Oh, goodness. Now this is weird. What?
Cold enough out here.
I know, it's a little chilly. Thank you. And we're here.
So while my wife is going to the restroom to freshen up, I'll trick her good and proper by going to Auntie Anne's, I believe it is. Best soft pretzels ever. Don't tell her I bought one. Hoping I could finish up before you got here.
Yeah, I bet. Where's mine?
She said they're out of bread.
I bet.
She's trying to eat her pretzel. With no cheese sauce, because I pitched the cheese sauce because I thought she was going to get some. Now she's a bit grumpy.
We are here for a wedding, in case you guys didn't know why we're even here in Arkansas, but that's why we're here. So I don't know how much we'll be vlogging the rest of the weekend, but I'll try and take at least a couple shots or something. But yeah, I don't want to invade other people's privacy and that kind of thing. So yeah, but we're excited to stay with friends and hang out. One of my really good friends, actually two of my really good friends, live here in Arkansas, and we had been together at a nursing home in Virginia where we worked at in like voluntary service. So they both live here in this community we're visiting, and so I'm really excited to be able to catch up with them. And now he's trying to get us a car. Now here's where Nick and I are different. He's trying to book a car like now after we get here. We didn't reserve it or anything, which is fine. He's just not one to like to plan things, and I'm like an over planner, because I would have booked it, the day I booked our tickets, but no, he likes to do it now, which is fine. everything will work out. Oh my goodness. Oh, there you go. There you go. My goodness.
Let's roll, baby. Yeah.
Okay, it's about 10:15, I think, Arkansas time, and we are at our friend's house right now, and we were at volleyball for a while before now, so we are just gonna hang out yet and have some good times. Hey, good morning, guys. We are here at our friend's place. They're gone already. It's about 9:05 right now, and they had to leave to help get things ready for the wedding. So we are just trying to get ourselves ready, and I am gonna make me some coffee. I need coffee. We have a very nice view out here. Just look at that. Oh, wow. Nice, nice. Wow. You got a new shirt, but he thinks it's too tight.
I'm fine as long as I don't breathe.
It's not that bad, honey. Nah, you look good. We're at the wedding.
Hey, did you put the other mints in there first?
No, I didn't get any.
Okay.
Well, do you know what you're doing?
Not a clue.
Not a
Reception usher, but it's kind of each man on
Feel
his
your
own.
way through.
It'll
Okay.
be yeah. It'll be all right.
Okay, wedding is over and we are back at our friend's place to hang out. Not sure what we're gonna be doing tonight, but I don't know, might go out to eat or something. So.
Did you watch some of it? The Grant, you want the Grant? I do. I love that song.
Oh really? Someone's birthday.
So she's having some problems.
I ain't got it.
She's not a natural, I can tell you that much. We're having a good time.
Big house, big noise, big everything.
Come on.
Alright, here we go. Play one.
Oh my word. Come on.
Yeah, I like to move it, move it. I like to shake it, shake it. We like to shake it. Ooh.
You don't like that one?
I gotta make sure there's no crunchies. I like you guys. The lady.
Oh my land.
Man, right here. Thank you, sir. Back to finally. It's Sunday afternoon here.
We had a really good weekend. I haven't laughed so much in a long time, and yeah, it's been a lot of fun. But yeah, now we're headed back to the airport, and it appears like our flight is delayed in Chicago, so that means we won't get home to our babies quite as quickly. They'll be in bed probably by the time we get home, which is unfortunate, but...
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Anne's
Auntie Anne's
alert.
again. What do you
Alert.
know? Well, that worked out well. Their machine wasn't working properly, so we got ourselves some free pretzels and sauce this time. Yummy, yummy. Our flight is delayed, flying out of X and A to Chicago, but the Chicago flight is also delayed. So here we sit.
Would you look at that? Good old Ohio snow. Yes, came back into Dayton here. It's good to be home. Got
Almost.
a little drive heading back in yet. The flying is behind us, which I'm glad for. Not that big a fan of flying. My wife is.
Well, I can get old after a little while.
My ears tend to pop and I just don't like airports. But it beats driving for hours and hours. But we're excited to be back home and to go home and give the little ones a hug. It's been a great weekend.
And we're home! Yay! We just got home about a little bit ago, about 12:15 a.m., like Monday morning. So it was a couple hours later than we thought, but we're home safe and sound, and a huge thank you to my aunt and uncle for watching the boys for us this weekend. She stayed here till we got here, and I went and peeked at the boys a little bit, and they're sound asleep, so I won't wake them up. But anyways, we had a really, really good weekend, and I just want to say thanks for joining us, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!